To use the shopping basket order option, you will need to navigate to the product list. Click on Basket. You can compare the product price in multiple suppliers and input order quantities to add the product under the basket. Items with multiple pack sizes and suppliers will have all of their options available on the basket selection screen. Your basket consists of all the products. Generate template can be used to create an order template from the basket, which can further be used to create order on the system. 𝗬𝗍𝗫 removes all items from your basket. Confirm order generates orders ready for approval. All generated orders need to be approved individually for each supplier, and approved orders will arrive in the pending delivery section as usual.